For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using a RISE technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the 2nd floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are back here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para ihatid po sa inyo ang ating ikatlong laro ngayong hapon na ito. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. Kaya naman, Rick, kasama nyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng magandang aksyon itong ating dalawang kupunan.
Ayan, nasa second round of elimination na nga tayo dito sa Bucal Season 6. Bakbakang ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers, the most awaited battle between these two teams. So yun nga, on the first round, nanalo dito ang ACC Green Serpents. Let's see dito sa ating pangalawang round of elimination kung makakabawi ba ang NCF Tigers or will the ACC Green Serpents patuloy na aarangkada dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, live na live tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, WOD Media TV 48 Naga and Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya magsha-shoutout kami sa mga comments nyo sa ating mga live streaming.
Ayan nga, Rick, nasabi mo kanina doon sa ating first round, itong ACC Green Serpents yung nakakuha ng panalo against the NCF Tigers. At ngayon naman, titingnan natin kung itong ating NCF Tigers talagang gagawin yung lahat para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, andyan yung ating mga players na talaga namang magbibigay ng lakas at aksyon dito sa ating hard court. Kaya naman po, maya-maya lamang po, we're going to start this action of the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. And as we can see, andyan na po ang ating first five ng NCF Tigers. We have Catamora, Arenzana, San Gabriel, Palillo, and Palahe. And on the other side, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, handa na rin para makipagbakbakan sa ating NCF Tigers.
So, itong magiging second round of elimination is very crucial for all the teams right now dito sa Bucal Season 6. It's either mababago ba ang ating standing or patuloy na aarangkada yung mga nasa upper hand. Let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo sa hapon na ito. Now, ipapakilala na nga dito ang first five ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero on the side of the NCF Tigers, I'm sure ready na para magbigay ng eksklusibong impormasyon ng ating courtside reporter sa side ng kanilang kupunan. Kayla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolanja, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via WOD Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game for the second round of the elimination round. I am Kayla Kasuya, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. After their loss against the ACC Green Serpents during the first round of the elimination, the NCF Tigers are now ready to bounce back and prove themselves here in Bucal Season 6. According to Coach Bray Ayo, they focus on the two things that are lacked on them during the last game against the Serpents. It is the rebound and the individual defense of his players. Since this is the start of the second round of the elimination round, they are reminded to always give their best shot, play well, and keep their heads on the game. That's all for now, and back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kayla. Ayan, focus ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers sa depensa at rebounds na nagkulang nga sila doon sa unang laban nila against the ACC Green Serpents. But let's see, as we're going to start our first quarter, now it's the ball possession of the Green Serpents. Now Bron loses the ball, now Catamora gets it. Passes now to San Gabriel. Now heavily guarded. At para makarinig naman tayo, Rick, ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Hi Rick and Tin, and good afternoon, Bicolanja. It is bleeding green this afternoon as the most awaited matchup this season is about to unfold once again, sealing the second spot in Division 1. This matchup, the Serpents are eager to prove that their phenom will instantly devour a roaring tiger. Despite their one loss this season, they are still determined to clinch their spot on the finals and take home the champion glory. This is Eliza Faith Contestor Metal giving you the latest news and updates from the court side of the Armando Copper College Green Serpents, only here in Bucal Season 6, on Media TV 48 Naga or Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that, Eliza. So this ACC Green Serpents team are eager and focused right now to get their another win dito sa Bucal Season 6 and securing the second top-seeded team here sa ating Bucal Seniors Division. So let's see kung patuloy ba dito makakakuha ng momentum ang ating ACC Green Serpents, because as we can observe right now, defense is the key para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining, pero still 2 points pa lamang dito ang nagagawa ng ating NCF Tigers. Now Palillo will try for that 3, no good. Naga securing that ball.
Now ACC on the run. Jersey number 4 now passes to Galvez. Basket count with a foul. Now Galvez will be on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Unang quarter pa lamang rin, nagsisimula pa lang tayo, pero mainit-init na yung bakbakan ng ACC as well as the NCF Tigers. Now Galvez for a bonus free throw here. That's good. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers na medyo nahihirapan dito sa kanilang opensa. 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Palillo now with the ball.
Katamora looking for his teammate. Palahe. Mid-range jumper was good para dito sa NCF Tigers.
A whistled foul here para dito kay jersey number 1, Palillo of the NCF Tigers. Ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Nagar to inbound. Passes to jersey number 11. 20 seconds to shoot on the side of the Green Serpents. Galvez guarded here. Now passes to jersey number 4. Tries for 3, an air ball. Ball still alive on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. But turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Chance for them to get this first quarter.
So expect na magiging maganda ang bakbakan or paghaharap dito sa ating second round ng dalawang kupunan na ito. We know these teams na talaga namang napakainit inside the hard court. Now ACC on the offense, jersey number 4, passing the ball to Nagar. Nagar will try for that 3. Katamora secures that rebound. So ball possession ngayon ng NCF Tigers.
Now Palillo passes now to Katamora to San Gabriel. Now loses the ball, but it will stay on their side here with only 13 seconds to shoot on the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe yung depensong ipinapakita dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Medyo nahihirapan itong ating Tigers. Now San Gabriel, 8 seconds to shoot. Have recorded, tries for the mid-range. That's good.
So great point conversion on the side of this NCF Tigers, and the whistle again coming from our referee. Galvez to inbound.
Now ACC. 5 minutes and 51 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Now pass to Galvez. Nagar ngayon may hawak ng bola, guarded by Katamora. 12 seconds to shoot here. Traveling violation. It's committed by Nagar here. No scoring tayo dito sa ating first quarter. 3-6. 3-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now, great defense on the side of Tigers, securing that ball possession right now. Katamora choosing Palillo, fires for that long 3. No good. Now, Serpents are down with 3 points.
Medyo hindi pa dito maano yung opensa ng ACC Green Serpents doon sa kanilang outside shooting. But let's see. As we still continue this first quarter, Palahe. No good. No chance here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents to add to their point. Nagar now. Passes to Galvez. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 4. That's good this time for a 3-pointer.
Unang tres para dito sa ACC Green Serpents to tie this matchup. 6-all everyone, 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Now Palahe, taking his time and looking for his teammate. Muntik pang maagawan doon sa San Gabriel ni Nagar. Again, both teams are showing defense. Long three, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Palilio. Heavily guarded by 3 Serpents. But Arenzana securing that second chance point para dito sa ating laro. 6-8 on our scoreboard.
Hindi rin nagpapahuli itong ating NCF Tigers. Now a foul was whistled. Kaya 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining para dito sa ating bakbakang ACC Green Serpents and NCF Tigers. Now Naga to inbound. Passes now to jersey number 4 to Galvez. 10 seconds. Galvez naman yung titira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Arenzana. Mase, bagong pasok on the side of the NCF Tigers. Isa dito sa mapagkakatiwalaan inside the court. But let's see kung talagang iinit yung laro dito ni Mase against the ACC Green Serpents. Now for the mid-range jumper. That's good. First point para kay Mate. Galing pa yan sa bench.
Yes. Now medyo dikit pa dito ang dalawang kupunan. Low scoring nga ang nangyayari dito sa ating laro. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Green Serpents. Great pass but poor execution on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda sana noon kasi libreng-libre doon si jersey number 4 but losing that ball, so turnover on the side of their team.
Yun nga Rick, napakaganda din ng defense na pinakita doon ng ating NCF Tigers. Hindi masyadong nakagalaw yung ACC Green Serpents and they still need to continue that kind of play para maiwasan nitong ating ACC puntos dito. Now Masi again, handling the ball for the side of the NCF Tigers. Passes to Nawada, to Arenzana. Now on the inside, offensive foul is given to Mase. Now chance here for the ACC Green Serpents. 4 na puntos lamang kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. We're now down to last 3 minutes of our first quarter.
Now NCF Tigers is on the penalty side. ACC Green Serpents should take advantage with this ball possession because they are down here. Last 3 minutes of the game, Galvez looking for his teammate. Great pass inside. Pero masyadong malikot ang depensa ng NCF Tigers but makakakuha ng point conversion dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now NCF with a 2-point lead. Pero a turnover for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now the Green Serpents have a chance here to tie the game against the NCF Tigers. Cervantes papasok dito para sa mga Tigre. Now jersey number 11 on the run. ACC heavily guarded here by Mase. Now double team na dito kay Galvez. Jersey number 4. Butata.
Great block on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Galvez looking for his teammate, heavily guarded by Brito here. No good. Mase on that rebound. NCF on the offense right now. Chance for them para dagdagan dito ang kanilang kalamangan. Last 2 minutes of the game. Of the first quarter rather. Nawada.
On the corner, no good. Now, possession na ng ACC Green Serpents. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for our first quarter. No. Galvez with the ball. Guarded by Brito. Passes now to jersey number 4 with 7 seconds to shoot here. ACC nahihirapan sa depensa ng NCF Tigers. But that's a traveling violation. Napakaganda ng ipinapakitang depensa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Talagang nahihirapan lumusot itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Talaga namang pinakatotoo nila yung sinabi sa kanila ni Coach Brian na pag-igihan nila yung depensa nila for their game against the ACC Green Serpents.
Because we know these both teams, matagal na itong nagaharap dito sa ating liga, mapa-finals or semi-finals. Talagang ang ganda ng laro ng dalawang koponan nito. So, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang kapalaran.
Backward violation on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers with the last 54 seconds of the first quarter. Mase now with the ball. 17 seconds to shoot on their side. Taking their time here. Now a steal from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Loses the ball. Now Borromeo on the run. Again, another steal coming from Galvez. Galvez na yung papasok sa loob. Passes. Napakaganda ng communication dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi din talaga sila nagpapatalo against the NCF Tigers as we only have 23 seconds remaining on our first quarter.
Deadlock at 10. What a close first quarter for both teams. But Borromeo to the rescue para dito sa NCF Tigers. 10 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, what will be the adjustment on the side of this ACC Green Serpents? And that's it. That's the end of our first quarter, 12-10 in favor of Naga College Foundation Tigers. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter match only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our second quarter matchup between the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. NCF is up by 2 points. Let's see dito sa ating second quarter kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang momentum.
Now, ball position of the ACC Green Serpents para dito sa ating second quarter. Yung nga rin napakaganda nung naging first quarter natin dito. As we can see, grabe yung defense ng ipinakita dito ng ACC as well as the NCF Tigers, and they need to continue that as we are now on our second quarter. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Mase, 15 seconds to shoot.
Seconds on the shot clock para dito sa NCF Tigers. Mase to inbound, passing the ball to Borromeo. And Nuwada, what a great point conversion. Samahan pa yun ng foul para dito sa NCF Tigers. A player to look out for this NCF Tigers. Nuwada. And now, on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Alaysa, to give us an information para sa ACC Green Serpents. Alaysa, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and during the pre-game huddle, the Serpents were reminded of their lapses during their last head-to-head matchup between the Tigers, and they emphasized that today's game is their chance to convert that into better plays. The key to their win is to communicate and put their maximum effort in defense, focus, and hustle hard. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, depensa din yung kailangang baguhin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kasi nakita naman natin doon sa ating first quarter na medyo nahihirapan silang lumusot doon sa depensa ng ating NCF Tigers, and they really need to double their effort na nandito na tayo sa ating second quarter. Pero itong ating NCF Tigers, lamang pa rin po sila ng 4 sa pagpasok ng ating second quarter, kaya napakaganda nung pinakita nila during the first quarter. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Kyla. Hi Kyla, any updates?
Thank you, Rick and Jean. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, Coach Bragi reminds the team to stay on their composure. They need to execute properly their system, especially the individual defense that he has set for the team. Ika nga ni Coach Bray, keep on pressuring their opponent and make their presence feel inside the court. Good communication also helps them to have a good chemistry inside the court. They need to double their effort dahil dikit nga ang laban, lessen their turnover, and execute properly their defense for this game. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Ayun, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. Yan ang kailangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Their good offense and defense and pressuring the opponent, because yun nga kanina nakita natin on our first half na kung saan nakalamang dito ang NCF Tigers, pero on the latter part of that first quarter, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, talagang pinakitaan rin tayo ng magandang opensa and depensa para maidikit dito ang score. So on the side of the NCF Tigers, they need to pressure the ACC Green Serpents, at ngayon nga mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan. Now, 16-10 on our scoreboard, and still the lead is on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang NCF Tigers, or will the ACC Green Serpents snatch this lead. Now, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium na nakatutok sa atin. Shoutout kay Sofia Recto, kay Paolo Chanco, kay Mary France, and kay MC or Mark Amante. Ayan, thank you so much po for your support. Now, back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 26 seconds remaining para dito sa ating second quarter match. Now, ball possession ngayon ng NCF Tigers.
Now, ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Mase passes to Brito. Mase ngayon, mid-range jumper. That's good. Talagang doon magaling itong si Mase. Talagang mapagkakatiwalaan siya sa loob ng hardcourt ng NCF Tigers. Now, Basaysay with the ball. ACC. 8 dito ang hinahabol against the NCF Tigers. Basaysay again for no good, pero offensive rebound wala pa rin para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Medyo nahihirapan sila sa opensa because of that defense of the NCF Tigers. Brito, no good, but a whistled foul. So now the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ACC Green Serpents, medyo nai-intimidate dito sa depensang pinapakita ng NCF Tigers. They are down 8 points para sa ating laro. Kailangan ditong magkaroon ng magandang momentum ng Green Serpents if they want to chase and cut the lead na hawak ng Tigers. And meanwhile, these NCF Tigers, pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang depensa. But Bron on that last sequence, point conversion para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now NCF still have that 6-point lead here. Borromeo papasok sa loob but no good. Now chance here for the ACC Green Serpents. Naga guarded by Borromeo. 18 seconds to shoot. Galvez to Nagar. Heavily guarded here on the corner for Beltran. Babalik dito kay Basaysay. Now the MVP no good.
Mase losing that ball. Great steal coming from Basaysay and now Galvez. May hawak ng bola. Choosing Beltran and fires for that three. No good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Bron. Heavily guarded here. And 2 shots will be given on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Foul was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. 12-18 on our scoreboard.
Now 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. As the NCF Tigers still on the lead of 6 points here. Now the ACC Green Serpents, it will be the adjustment here para mas mapalapit pa yung kanilang puntos against the NCF Tigers. Bron. That's good. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Bagong pasok, Guades on the side of the NCF Tigers.
No, Guades looking for his teammate, Cervantes. To De La Peña. 8 seconds to shoot. Now Nuwada, dire-diretso sa loob. Gabito securing that second chance point.
Nandito tayo sa ating second quarter pero medyo mababa pa yung ating puntos dahil sa depensa na ipinapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Galvez now guarded by Nuwada. Now passes to Basaysay. 10 seconds to shoot here for the ACC Green Serpents. A whistled foul here. Para dito. Kay Guades. Now still ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining here. Nagar to inbound. Now Nagar passes to Beltran. Beltran ngayon papasok sa loob to Galvez. Tries for a mid-range jumper. That's good. Ito pa yung kailangan ng ACC Green Serpents to excel both in offense as well as defense. 15-20. Now De La Peña passes to Guades. Guades ngayon guarded by Galvez. Nuwada, 5 seconds tries for that deep 3. No good. Nagar with that rebound. ACC na ngayon may pagkakataon na madagdagan dito yung puntos nila and to lessen that gap of the NCF Tigers. Now on the inside, Bron. Hindi alintana yung mga guardia dyan sa baba ng NCF Tigers. Ngayon, naibaba na lamang po sa tatlo ng ACC Green Serpents ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now 15 seconds to shoot on their side. Guades passes to Nuwada, tries for 3. No good.
Now chance for the ACC Green Serpents to tie this matchup or even makalamang. No good. Gabito passing the ball to De La Peña. What a move para dito kay De La Peña. Points off the bench para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now Galvez nagmamadali dito. What a great pass, but great steal para dito sa NCF Tigers.
Ganda nun, Rick. Kahit medyo maliit itong sinuwada against Bron, hindi niya talaga binitawan yung bola for their team. Now a quick replay. As you can see, Bron medyo nahirapan dyan. Now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers. 17-22, 5-point lead. San Gabriel back on the court for the NCF Tigers. Now Guades. 17 seconds to shoot here. Arenzana. Now San Gabriel, heavily guarded here. Medyo nahihirapan. Tries for 3. That's good! Napakaganda nun para kay San Gabriel. Adjusting that score. Now, Nagar passes on the corner to Basaysay. Now to Beltran to try. No good. Offensive rebound. Now a foul was whistled here. Foul was whistled to Gabito. Now Bron on the free throw line. 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. That's good. For the second free throw of Bron to lessen that gap. That's good. Now, 6 points na lamang hawak dito ng NCF Tigers against the ACC Green Serpents. Now, ball possession of the Tigers. Guades.
Looking for his teammate, Arenzana. To Katamora. San Gabriel will file for another 3. Pangalawang 3 para dito sa araw na ito ni San Gabriel.
Na magandang pasok yan para dito kay San Gabriel. Dahil naitaas pa nga nila yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers dito na quick replay. It's Basaysay and Guades on that last sequence. Now Basaysay on the free throw line. No good on that first attempt. 19-28. 9-point lead of the NCF Tigers. That's good para sa kanyang pangalawa. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Now ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Guades with the ball here.
San Gabriel to Arenzana. Taking their time here. De La Peña, wala pa din. Pero Arenzana, the big man, taking the charge para dito sa NCF Tigers. And a great steal.
Pero ngayon, ACC na, may hawak ng bola. Bron loses the ball, pero andyan si Nagar to secure that. 15 seconds to shoot on their side. 20-30. A big 10 points. Nagar for 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung mga tres na last game talagang nagpaulan itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Now San Gabriel going inside. No good. Arenzana was there pero wala pa rin. Now, chance here for the ACC. Beltran locked here. Fast pace na tayo dito sa ating second quarter. De La Peña, a whistled foul. He will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Now the NCF Tigers already on the penalty.
At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang side ng ACC Green Serpents because right now, ang NCF Tigers medyo nag-iinit sa ating remaining time of 1 minute and 55 seconds para sa ating second quarter. 30-20 on our scoreboard. Ayan, talagang napakaganda ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Pag naghaharap dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, talagang sulit na sulit ang panunood dito ng ating mga live audiences and live viewers sa ating mga live stream. Again, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow and subscribe sa One Media TV 48 Naga, One Media TV Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page.
Yan, Rick, shoutout din naman tayo dito kay Aria Valderrama, kay Jomer Maralit, kay Flor de la Peña, AJ Salud, Rovic Raimundo, Christian Edward Albaniel, kay Andre Espirito at kay Celia St. James. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagantabay sa ating live coverage. Now de la Peña on the free throw line for 2 shots here for the side of the NCF Tigers. That's good. Now he will try again for the second time. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. Still on the lead itong ating NCF Tigers. Pero titinan natin kung mababawasan ba to ng ating ACC Green Serpents as we are approaching on the end of our first quarter. Now, of our first half, rather.
Now, ACC Green Serpents on the offense. They need this one. And a foul was called on jersey number 20, Katamora, 27 rather. Bron stepping on that free throw line for 2 shots.
$13 points ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Pinakamalaking kalamangan nila for our first half now. That's good para dito kay Bron sa kanyang unang free throw. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining. Now for the second attempt. No good. Now, it's the NCS basketball. Wallace now with the ball. Passes to San Gabriel. San Gabriel heavily guarded here. Papasok sa loob pero wala yan. Ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now ACC on the run. Jersey number 11 now, Banaobra. No good. Arenzana with that height advantage, taking over with that ball. Now Laresma, bagong pasok. Oh, basag foul. Para dito kay jersey number 19 of the ACC Green Serpents. Now San Gabriel will be on the free throw line again for 2 shots. Now a quick replay on that last sequence between jersey number 19 and San Gabriel of the NCF Tigers. Now, that's good para dito kay Justin. San Gabriel, second attempt. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Justin.
And now, ACC on the offense right now. Nagar, heavily guarded here by Justin. Out of bounds ball. So great chance for the NCF Tigers here to score at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang NCF Tigers. 55 seconds remaining para dyan sa ating first half, 35-21 on our scoreboard. So at this moment, medyo nahihirapan talaga dito ang Green Serpents when it comes to their offense. Because on the other side of things, this NCF is showing great defense. That's why, yun nga ang ating ACC Green Serpents down here sa ating first half, 35-21 on our scoreboard. Let's see after this timeout kung makakabawi ba dito ang ACC Green Serpents or will the NCF Tigers patuloy na magkakaroon ng magandang momentum patapos dito sa ating first half.
Yes, napakaganda nga nung pagbabago dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers at talagang nagawa nila ng paraan yung malaking kalaban nila na itong ating ACC Green Serpents dahil nga nakikita naman natin dito sa ating second quarter medyo nahihirapan itong ating ACC Green Serpents when it comes to their offense as well as the defense. Dahil napakaganda ng ipinapakita ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. But let's see, dahil hindi pa nga tapos itong ating laban na ito, ano kaya yung magiging adjustment dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents to really have their momentum bago pa man magtapos itong ating first half. Now, with the last 54 seconds remaining on our second quarter, it's the NCF basketball with that 14 points na kalamangan dito. Now, Brito heavily guarded. Pero andyan ang NCF players to get that ball. Now, Guades with 7 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3, no good. Now, Banaobra passes to Galvez. Di diretso. Loses the ball. But now, a good recovery here. Naga for 3. Still no good. Na kanina pa natin hinahanap itong mainit na pagpuntos dito ni Nagar. Pero up until now, hindi pa rin natin makaramdaman. Pero on that last sequence, rebound from the side of the ACC Green Serpents here. Last 9 seconds of our second quarter. Galvez now with the ball. Passes on the corner para dito kay Banaobra for 3. No good. And that's the end of our first half. Ending it with 21-35, 14-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers. We will be back for more actions para sa ating third quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using a RISE technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the 2nd floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
Back for the second half of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents versus the NCF Tigers. So now, nasa NCF Tigers nga po ang ating 14-point lead of this matchup. At napakaganda nga nung pagtatapos ng second quarter para sa kanilang side dahil medyo nga nahirapan itong ating ACC Green Serpents to convert a point. But now let's see as we're starting our third quarter. Now it's a ball possession of the NCF Tigers, but a good rebound on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Banaobra. 19 seconds to shoot here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ngayon na yung kailangan nilang gawin, yung adjustment nila dahil nga medyo napapalaki na dito yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. But on that last sequence, Galvez without 2 points, making it just a 12-point lead of the NCF Tigers.
Palilio Tolaresma. Now, San Gabriel. 7 seconds to shoot para dito sa NCF Tigers. Lavandero getting 2 points coming from that last play. Now, ACC Green Serpents on the offense. Nagar, itatawid ang bola para sa kanilang kupunan. Galvez. Passing the ball to Basaysay. No good. And the ball will remain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And to hear an update sa side ng NCF Tigers, let's call our coach and reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Tigers. They are pouring all the efforts to maintain their advantage for this game. Laging paalala ng coaches na ibigay ang 100% nila para magtuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Coach coaches continuously reminds them na huwag kalimutan mag-usap-usap sa loob ng court at laging unahin ang maayos at magandang depensa at susunod na lamang ang maayos na opensa. For the last reminder of Coach Bray, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Mahaba pa ang dalawang quarter. They should not be complacent and they should play smarter this time. That's all for now and back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Carla. Yun nga, huwag magpakapante itong ating NCF Tigers kahit nasa kanila na yung kalamangan dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter because as we all know, the ACC Green Serpents can really double their effort as of now at talagang malamangan pa itong ating NCF Tigers kaya hindi din talaga nagpapakampante itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, mas nag-focus sila sa kanilang opensa and defense na talaga namang makakatulong sa kanila to really have this momentum for their side. And now it's the ball possession of the NCF Tigers at medyo nahihirapan pa nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents to really get a point here for our third quarter. Now, Palillo with the ball. That's good for the side of the NCF Tigers at para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, any updates?
Ayan, to hear an update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's call our courtside reporter Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second half of this year's matchup. And during the huddle, the boys were reminded to go back to the fundamentals of basketball and use their experience to better execute your plays. Make sure to convert your chances into sure baskets. Despite their height disadvantage, their relentless spirit is the fuel that drives the team to victory. Last two quarters, bawi ang sigaw ng team. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, babawi nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents at nasabi din na with the height advantage of the NCF Tigers, hindi din naman ito yung magpapatigil dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents to really convert a point here for our third and fourth quarter of the game. And let's see what will be the adjustment on their side para naman makuha nila dito yung kanilang kalamangan. Because at this moment, medyo napapalaki na nga yung nakukuha puntos ng NCF Tigers. And on that last sequence, great steal coming from the side of the NCF Tigers.
So, ayun nga, mabibigyan dito ng technical foul si jersey number 11 on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, Bonaobra. San Gabriel patuloy na nagkakaroon ng point conversion sa side ng NCF Tigers. Ano ang gagawin ngayon ng Green Serpents para makahabol dito sa medyo lumulobo ng kalamangan para sa ating third quarter?
Na ball possession.
Ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Palillo, tatawid ang bola. Heavily guarded by Beltran. San Gabriel. Mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound. San Gabriel ulit. Hinanap dito si Palillo and now Laresma goes inside. No good. Now, Basaysay. May hawak ng bola on the side of the Green Serpents.
Nabron loses that ball. Laresma was there to get it. Now chance here for the NCF Tigers to widen that gap against the ACC Green Serpents. Palillo now tries for a dip three. No good. Offensive rebound palahin nandyan sa baba. Wala pa rin as a rebound coming from Beltran. But a whistled foul here. It's called. Tawagan nga dyan si Laresma. So this is the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. 25-42. Grabe na nga yung kalamangan na naigawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Titinan natin kung maibababa pa ba yan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Nagar with 18 seconds to shoot here. Passes on the inside, Beltran. But double dribble lang may tatawag dito sa ACC Green Serpents, making it hard for them to convert a point here because of the defense that was shown by the NCF Tigers. Now, NCF on the run.
Palillo to Laresma. Tries for that one. No good. Palahe. Secure that rebound. Pero great steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Now, foul was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Galvez magkakaroon ngayon ng 2 shots para dito sa Green Serpents. 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Ayan, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC Digital Graphics, Biggs, Ellie Sportswear and Uniform, HGP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngoen Sons Training and Industries, and Pocari Sweat. Maraming salamat po. So back to the ball game tayo. Now, ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Gabito. Swabing move para doon sa last play na yon. Now, the ACC Green Serpents, kailangan na nila ditong ilabas ang kanilang pagiging aggressive to get their points here at para mahabol dito ang lumalaking ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. But again, NCF Tigers showing great defense inside the court. And a whistle coming from our referee here. And a timeout was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents to clear things out because 44-26 ang ating scoreboard ngayon. And now, ano ang magiging adjustment dito sa side ng kanilang kupunan? After this timeout, let's see kung magkakaroon ba ng magandang new game plan dito ang ACC Green Serpents kasi on this third quarter, medyo nababasa talaga dito ang galaw ng ACC Green Serpents. Kaya bihira ditong magkaroon ng maganda or libreng pagkakataon ng ACC Green Serpents to convert a point. Now, again, ano ang magiging adjustment dito on the side of the ACC Green Serpents? And shout out to the 311 viewers sa ating live Facebook page ng Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Bucal Facebook page. Keep on tuning for more actions here sa loob ng ating venue, Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium.
Now back to the ball game. ACC's basketball. Naga ngayon to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Now beside side. Loses that opportunity. Pero it's still the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Naga to inbound. The passes here. Napapalakas yung mga pasa dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And up until now, we can see that momentum on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kulang talaga yung naipapakita nila simula pa ng ating first quarter. Now, NCF still on the lead here. Palilio. Passes to Gabito. 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Napapasok dito si Gabito. That's a good point for the side of the NCF Tigers, making it now a 20-point lead of the NCF Tigers para sa ating third quarter. Now, Basaysay loses that ball. Good chance here for the NCF Tigers. San Gabriel going in. That's good. Now ACC, at this point, they really need their momentum. They need to unleash yung kanilang palaban na side para dito. But on that last sequence, a three-pointer coming from Nagar. Now Now, first 3 points ni Naga dito sa ating matchup. Palilio. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Medyo mabilis na yung ating oras. Kailangan lahat na dito ay gumalaw on the side of the ACC Green Serpents because the NCF Tigers continues to get a point here. Napakaganda na din ng kanilang communication dito. Now, Bron. 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes now to Beltran. Beltran going inside. But a whistle foul there. Beltran will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. At kahit mga free throws dito, kailangan na din kunin ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
They should take advantage with that free throw opportunity to add their score here. 50-29 everyone. 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter match. Now, masaya na dito at talagang humihiyaw sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium ang fans ng ating NCF Tigers.
Beltran, that's good for his first free throw. For the second attempt on the free throw line, Beltran. San Gabriel passes to Galvez. Wrong pass. But now still from the side of the NCF, San Gabriel to Palilio. Palilio now. No good. Pero still ball possession of the NCF Tigers. Nasa baba ngayon San Gabriel. But at that last sequence, it's the ACC's basketball. Now ACC, 31-50, 19-point lead of the NCF Tigers sa ating third quarter. 3 minutes and 40 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo. Now Galvez with that ball.
They need this one on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Bona obra. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Now, substitution para dito sa NCF Tigers. Nagar. Clean basket para sa unang attempt dito. 32-50. So the ACC Green Serpents, they need to double their effort right now. Another point was added on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Mase is back on court, fires for that one. And a great point conversion coming from Palahe. I think magiging isang highlight yon on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, Bonaobra. Passing the ball to Beltran. Nahihirapan dito. Galvez will try and Galvez will score on his own version of 3 points.
Now, naging maganda na yung laro dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents pero hindi pa nga huli yung lahat para sa kanilang kupunan. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Now Nawada with the ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Passes now to Palahe. Back to Nawada. Now Nawada going inside. Loses that ball. Galvez was there to get that. Now an opportunity for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Banaobra. To Nagar. Back to Banaobra. One hand. That's good.
And Slowly but surely, ACC Green Serpents nagbe-build dito ng momentum, pero ang NCF Tigers talagang mainat dito. And right on cue, Palilio successful on that attempt. Now, last 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. Now, Beltran looking for his teammate. Nagar to Bonaobra. Another one for Bonaobra, but not this time. Now, Palilio itatabi ng bola on the side of the NCF Tigers. What a great pass and a great move and point conversion. Grabe naman yun para dito sa NCF. Marami nang pinapakitang highlights dito ang side ng NCF. Talagang ganadong-ganado at magbabounce back on that defeat sa ating first round kontra dito sa ACC Green Serpents. Now, Arenzana, the big man, stepping on the free throw opportunity.
Now ACC's basketball. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Now natawagan nga ng foul na ulit dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Jersey number 9 on the free throw line. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Pero shoutout din muna tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout kay Gerald Serliano Pitas at kay Lawrence Valvergara, as well as kay John Carlo Mamonong at Dave Giana na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. Now it's the NCS basketball again. Steal from the side of the ACC.
So a wasted opportunity on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda na sana ng steal na yon para dito sa ating laro. Pero stepping on the line was called on jersey number 9 para dito sa Green Serpents. Now Arenzana, may hawak ng bola. Palahe, no good. Now, Bron on that free throw opportunity para dito sa ACC Green Serpents. 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter match. Now, 40-57. Again, the ACC Green Serpents paunti-unti dito na hinahabol ang kalamangang hawak ng NCF Tigers. And on the side of the NCF Tigers, hindi sila dito dapat maging kampante. Last 1 minute of the game.
Last 56 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Again, NCF still on the lead. At hindi na nga naibababa itong kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan itong ating Tigers. 41-57 in favor on the side of the NCF Tigers. Napakaganda nga ng performance na pinapakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers all throughout this matchup against the ACC Green Serpents, kung saan nga ito yung nagiging kulang on the side of the ACC Green Serpents with their offense as well as the defense. And yung mga players nga na inaasahan natin na mag-step up dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, like we have Nagar, Bron, and Galvez, hindi talaga natin medyo naramdaman dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But let's see as we are approaching the fourth and last quarter of this matchup. Magkakaroon kaya ng pagbabago dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, or the NCF Tigers will continues to get that momentum at mas mapalobo pa yung kanilang puntos dito against the ACC Green Serpents. Now ball.
Ayan, ball possession ng NCF Tigers. Palahe looking for his teammate. Arenzana will fire for that three. No good. Great steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Jersey number 9, heavily guarded here. Agawan ng bola. And a great steal coming from Arenzana.
Now ACC have a chance here. Last 20 seconds of our third quarter. No good. Now NCF with that ball possession. What will they do with the last 10 seconds of the third quarter? Masa now. A whistled foul. Tatawagan ng foul dito si Beltran. (41-57). Franco Masay on the free throw line for 2 shots here. That's good. Para sa kanyang unang free throw. Now for the second attempt of Franco Masay, 41-58. That's good, 2 on 2. Now last 7 seconds. ACC needs this. Jersey number 19 loses that ball. NCF on the run. And that's the end of our third quarter. A big gap, 41-59 in favor of the NCF Tigers. And we will be back for our fourth and last quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here at Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page for our fourth and last quarter of the matchup of the ACC and the NCF Tigers. At bago nga magtapos itong ating third quarter, napakaganda na nung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng ating NCF Tigers with 41-59. Napakalaking kalamangan na po ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And let's see if magpapatuloy pa ba itong momentum dito sa side ng NCF Tigers, or will the ACC Green Serpents step up at babawi mula sa kanilang tatlong quarter na hindi masyadong naging maganda on their side. But let's see as we are now going to start the fourth quarter as Naga will inbound the ball for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And maraming salamat din po sa ating mga live viewers and live audience dito sa loob ng NCF or ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. para sa kanilang pagsuporta dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating fourth game. It's the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the ACC Green Serpents Juniors Division para sa kanilang pagtatapat po. Now, Galvez passes to Banaobra. No good. Now NCF's basketball. Mase ngayon may hawak ng bola dito. Mase tries for a tip 3. No good. Offensive rebound mula dito kay Borromeo. Wala pa rin. And for the third time, Katamora. Still no good. And for the fourth, Mase. What will they do now with that a lot of opportunity for their side? Na passes to Borromeo. Now Nawada going inside. Pero naubusan na nga dito ng oras against the ACC. Now, another steal. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And up until now, medyo nahihirapan itong ating ACC. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung kailangan pa nilang gawin para mapagtuunan pa ng pansin itong kanilang depensa as well as the offense at para makikita tayo ng update all the way from their side. Let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, anong update natin dyan?
Quarter of this matchup, and during the huddle, the boys were reminded to neglect the pressure and just run the Serpents basketball system. During the previous quarter, the captain John Nico Nagar finally found his rhythm inside the hard court and had his first point. Despite the gap to run, the team is still optimistic and ready to devour the last quarter with their venomous hits only here on Bucal Season 6, one on Media TV 48 Naga o Dragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, John Nico Nagar needs to lead his team right now because they are down para dito sa ating larong ito. And speaking of down, one player of this ACC Green Serpents is down on court. It's Galvez. Masyadong mabilis ang mga pangyayari. That's why hindi natin napansin itong naging commotion inside the hardcourt. And to hear the other side of things para sa NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup. We've witnessed the Hunger Tigers to totally get the advantage for the last quarter. Their eagerness to win is always present. During the huddle, they are reminded by the rules inside the court. Ika nga ni Coach Bray, wag nang pabayaan na makahabol ang kanilang opponent. Gawin na ang lahat for the last quarter. Coaches commended their effort that really helps their team to have the advantage. Coach Bray reminds them to stay on their composure for the last quarter, give their all, and literally bounce back from the loss from the ACC Green Serpents. That's all for now, and back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, hindi pa rin complacent itong ating NCF Tigers kahit hawak na nila.
Ayan, no room for complacency para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. 41-61 on our scoreboard, and now, ball possession ng ACC Green Serpents. What a fast break para dito kay Basaysay. Basket count, samahan pa ng foul.
Ayan nga, Rick, nabawasan dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Galvez magpapahinga muna. One of the key players of the ACC Green Serpents. Kaya ano kaya yung magiging plano na dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents ngayon na wala muna itong Galvez na to sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Now, NCF's basketball. Now, Masa nagmamadali dito, going inside, lose that ball, pero andyan si Borromeo, no good on that attempt. Now, Nagar passes to Beltran. We We only have 7 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for this final quarter of the game. 44-61 still on the lead ang ating NCF Tigers. Now, Guadix. 18 seconds to shoot on their side. Passes to Nuwada. Nuwada ngayon may hawak ng bola. Tries on the mid-range. But a whistle foul there. Nuwada on the free throw line for 2 shots. Still 44-61 ang ating puntos dito sa ating last quarter. Shoutout din tayo sa ating mga sponsors. Maraming salamat po sa Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lamon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, Converge ICT Solutions, and special thanks po sa Wow Worlds of Water, sa Bigs and the Sportswear, and HJP Pawn Shop. Now back to the ball game. It's the ACC's basketball. Beltran tries for 3 now. No good. Pero a second chance point here for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. But still, the NCF Tigers dominating this final quarter. Guadas now with the ball. Passes to Nuwada. 13 seconds to shoot here. Now, team captain Katamora. Passes to Guadas. Now Guadas going inside, loses it. But a double dribble was committed on their side. So it's turnover para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. It's an opportunity for them to get a point here. Now Naga. Passes on the corner. Jersey number 5. Fadeaway shot, no good. Now NCF's basketball here. Guadas with 20 seconds to shoot on their side. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining on our 4th quarter. Now, Laresma passes to Guadas. Guadas na yun, may hawak ng bola to Gapito. Gapito, one hand, no good. Now, chance for the ACC Green Serpents here. (46-62) on our scoreboard. Now Guadas to inbound. Laresma ngayon may hawak ng bola. But a traveling violation was committed by Laresma. Now, jersey number 4. 16 seconds to shoot. A steal from the side of the NCF San Gabriel. Nagbabalik. No good. Sayang yun. Pero, still, a defensive rebound. The ball will stay on the side of the NCF Tigers. Still, the ACC Green Serpents nahihirapan dito. Guadas to inbound. Passes now to San Gabriel. Nuwada ngayon may hawak ng bola. Back to San Gabriel. No good.
Now, chance for the Green Serpents to score. Bonaobra, tatawid ang bola on the side of this ACC Green Serpents side, and a whistle coming from our referee. Foul was called on Guades para sa last play na yon. Now 62-46, 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. Medyo mahaba-haba pa itong 5 minutes na to. And now Nagar passing the ball to his teammate. Nice block coming from the NCF Tigers.
Now 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining para dito sa ating final quarter. 46-62 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Now it's still the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Bonaobra to inbound. Now passes to Bron. Bron loses that. Pero andyan si Beltran to get that ball again. Bron or Nagar for 3, no good. Now rebound by the side of the AC or the NCF Tigers.
Offensive rebound para kay Nuwada and point conversion para din sa kanya. What a great game para dito sa NCF Tigers. Another 2 points was added on their side. Now, Bonaobra and the rest of the ACC Green Serpents team, kailangan na nila dito magkaroon ng magandang opensa. And speaking of the NCF Tigers, one more time, San Gabriel showing greatness inside the hardcourt. Kanina pa to nagpapakawala ng magandang opensa on the side of the NCF Tigers. That's why mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang ACC Green Serpents.
Iyan nga, Rick, dito sa ating final quarter, the NCF Tigers hindi pa rin humihinto dito para magpakitang gilas. 46-66, 20-point lead pa rin po ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers at napakaganda nga na hindi napuputol yung momentum dito sa side ng ating NCF Tigers. Well, on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents lagi pa rin nakukuhanan ng bola nitong ating NCF Tigers at medyo nahihirapan talaga sila to convert a point here for our final quarter. It's 46-66 again, 20-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining na lamang po. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? Dahil kung titignan natin, medyo mahaba pa yung ating 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Pero hindi naman talaga hahayaan ng NCF Tigers na makuha pa ng ACC Green Serpents yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating side ng ACC Green Serpents. So, the least that we can do on the side of the ACC Green Serpents is to lessen that gap and a great communication inside the court, as well as mas galingan pa nila yung kanilang opensa as well as the defense now that we're going to continue this fourth quarter. Now it's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. This is their chance now to really give their all. Dahil nga napakalaki na nung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers dito. 20 points po yung kailangan habulin ng ating ACC. Let's see kung kaya ba nila yan sa loob lamang ng 4 minutes for our last quarter. Now, Bonaobra to inbound. Again, abangan po natin ang ating fourth game. It's the Ateneo versus the ACC Green Serpents Juniors Division. Now, back to the ball game. Bonaobra passes now. Hindi ka na mawala dito sa side ng ACC. Great defense on the side of the NCF. Pero the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now a foul was whistled to Nuwada. Penalty na nga itong ating NCF Tigers dito sa ating last quarter. Jersey number 4 on the free throw line for 2 shots. That's good for the first try. Now for the second attempt of jersey number 4. That's good. Now NCF's basketball here. Great opportunity for the NCF. Guades ngayon may hawak ng bola. Katamora. Now San Gabriel for a quick 3 here. That's good. Adding a point to the side of the NCF Tigers, making it 23-point lead. Now Bron gets that ball. Hindi din naman talaga nagpapaiwan itong ating ACC. Now, great defense on the side of the ACC Green Serpents as they steal that ball. Nagar passes on the corner here to Banaobra. Banaobra loses that ball. Pero mananatili yung ball possession on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagar to inbound. Passes now to Beltran. 14 seconds to shoot here. Bron. A traveling violation was committed by Bron. Ito yung kailangan nilang bawasan, yung kanilang mga violation and fouls. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. 50-69, 19-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now, Guades with the ball. Didiretso dito si Guades. Now, Nuwada. May hawak ngayon ng bola. Passes to San Gabriel. 9 seconds to shoot here on their side. Munti ka na. Nuwada tries. No good. Now, Banaobra. Diretso for a fast break. Naibaba na nga sa 17 points ito. Now, Guades picking up their time here. Passes to Katamora. Now, Nuwada to San Gabriel. San Gabriel muli. Passes on the inside. Katamora fade away. No good. Now, ACC's chance here. With that last sequence, the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 19 seconds left on their side. Nagar to inbound. Substitution at the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Basaysay, magpapahinga muna dito sa side ng ating Green Serpents. Nagar now. Passes to Beltran. 16 seconds to shoot here. Beltran, fake a 1. Now, Banaobra. No good. Lose that ball. Pero andyan pa rin si Banaobra. Wala pa rin. And Gabito secured that one.
Now, last 2 minutes of the game. 69-52 on our scoreboard. Ball possession ngayon ng NCF Tigers. San Gabriel passing the ball to Guades. 3 seconds to shoot para dito sa Tigers. And that's a shot clock violation para dito sa NCF Tigers. And the timeout was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. So medyo malapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng bakbakang ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong araw na ito dito sa dalawang koponan na ito?
Yes, Rick, mukhang itong ating NCF Tigers, pinanghawakan talaga nila yung kanilang agenda ngayong araw na ito na makuha yung panalo against the ACC Green Serpents. And with the remaining time of 1 minute and 41 seconds, yung magagawa na lamang dito ng ACC Green Serpents, mabawasan yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers dahil sa ganyan kaliit na lamang na oras para sa kanila. And with the defense of the NCF Tigers, medyo mahihirapan na talaga sila dito to convert a point. But let's see what will happen with that remaining time. And shoutout din po sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout kay Christina Valenzuela, Karen K. Escaro, Erica De Lima, and Carla May Calieja na nanonood sa atin ng live ngayong hapon na ito. Now back to the ball game. It's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents, 52-69. Napakalaki pa rin yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. So medyo mahihirapan dito itong ating ACC Green Serpents if they really want to get this win against the NCF Tigers.
Now substitution para dito sa Green Serpents. Naga to inbound. Bunaobra, heavily guarded here. Now, 12 seconds to shoot para sa Green Serpents. Nagar, heavily guarded here, goes inside and makakakuha ng puntos.
15 points ang hawak na kalabangan ngayon. TF. Now Nagar on the free throw line for a bonus free. That's good. 3-point play coming from Nagar.
Now NCF Basketball nagmamadali dito. Palilio. Tomase.
Now Bunaobra. No good. Medyo nawawalan na ng ano dito yung ating ACC because we only have 57 seconds remaining. At hawak pa rin ng NCF Tigers yung 14 points na kalamangan dito. Now Palilio. 9 seconds to shoot here going inside. No good. Now chance for the ACC to lessen that gap. Bunaobra tries for a quick 3. No good. 37 seconds remaining. Franco Mase with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot on the side of the NCF Tigers, and they're just taking their time here. And we're just waiting for the confirmation of NCF Tigers as they have the big lead against the ACC Green Serpents. Now on the corner. No good. Last 13 seconds. 55-69, and at this moment we can confirm that the NCF Tigers gets their win dito sa ating second round of elimination. Napakagandang laban, but still congratulations to the both teams, most especially sa ating NCF Tigers for giving us a good fight this afternoon. And now nagtapos na pong ang ating laban, 55-69 in favor of the NCF Tigers. And sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin kung sino nag-step up on the side of the NCF Tigers only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
Brought to you by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game. At Dugong Tigre ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 9 with 18 points, 3 assists and 3 steals. He's none other than, again and again, jersey number 9, Justin San Gabriel. Hello Justin, grabe. What a game against the ACC Green Serpents. Alam naman natin nung una, tinalo kayo ng ACC. What becomes your motivation para bumawi ngayon at maganda yung pinakita nyo ngayong araw?
Unang-una, naging motivation namin is si Lord kasi Alam namin na binibigyan kami ni Lord always ng lakas at sipag para sa araw-araw, and naging motivation namin ang mga frustrations na dumaan sa mga laro namin, and alam ko at alam ng team ko na ang sakit matalo, kaya yun na naging motivation namin para bumawi. Yun.
Justin, meron kayong current league which is the UCCL, and dun wala pa kayong talo. Grabe kondisyon kayong mabuti ngayon. Ano ba yung, or gaano ba nakatulong yung UCCL para din dito sa Bucal Games nyo?
Yung UCCL, ibang games yun eh. Dun, puro pisikalan, malalaki yung kalaban namin. Kaya doon kami kumuha ng lakas sa physically and mentally toughness namin sa mga games dito sa Bucal. Yun lang po.
At Justin, dahil nakita kong gaano mo ginalingan, ano ba yung personal mindset mo today na nakatulong sa'yo para ikaw ang tanghaling best player of the game?
Ganun nga, kung dito sa Bucal, nakaka-best player ako sa UCCL, hindi talaga, kaya alam ko kung kailangan ko mag-adjust, kaya dito ko nilalabas yung pagkukulang ko doon sa UCCL para pagdating ulit doon sa games, may makukuha na akong learnings dito.
Justin, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Unang-una, binabati ko yung pamilya ko sa Kamaligan and yung mga kaibigan ko sa Las Piñas, Sub-7 Ballers, and NCF community na laging nandyan para sa amin po. Thank you always po.
Thank you so much, Justin, and congratulations. There you have it. That is jersey number 9 of Naga College Foundation, Justin San Gabriel. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Team.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 9, Justin San Gabriel, with 18 points, 3 assists, and 3 steals. Napakaganda talaga ng performance ng ating NCF Tigers. Simula pa doon sa ating first quarter up until the end of the matchup against the ACC Green Serpents. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagantabay.
Ayan, talagang kudos for both teams, for ACC and the NCF Tigers, for showing us prowess and great game inside this hard court. So maya-maya abangan natin ang Ateneo de Naga Juniors Basketball Team versus the ACC Juniors Basketball Team. Dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan niyo po ang ating laro mamaya only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.